Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll introduce you two ways to move your desktop folder location in Windows 10 and 11. By default, all user files and folders are stored in the C users directory. You might want to change its default location to another non-system drive. Next, I will show you how to do it using these two methods. Let's start with method 1. Using the desktop properties to change the location. Open this PC. Right-click Desktop and choose Properties. Click Location tab. Then click Move button. Select your desired location in the pop-up window. Click Apply, then OK to save the change. You can see the files has been moved to a new location. Next, I will introduce method 2, using the registry. Press Windows and R to launch Run dialog. Type regedit, then click OK. Navigate to the corresponding path shown on the screen. On the right side, find and double-click Desktop. Change the value data to a new folder location you want. My choice is E, Desktop. Then restart Explorer.exe for the change to take effect.